to our vegetable soup. This is spinach. I use this spinach sachet, which is I use 1.5. This is 1.5 spinach. I boiled it with some salt. I just boiled it like 2 to 3 minutes after the water have boiled. So I put the spinach inside. I sliced the cube like 3 to 4 pieces. This is spinach. I'm using some oil, some palm oil with some vegetable oil. This is palm oil. It's hot a little bit. I add some vegetable oil to it. This is the vegetable oil, and I think it's not enough. I want to add some. So these onions, I don't add like 1 video of onions, white onions, because I use some red onions to blend the tomatoes. This is the blended tomatoes with some garlic, ginger, with fresh tomatoes and sweet pepper, with some 3 to 4 crushed brown pepper. I love pepper a lot. So this is the boiled tomatoes. I boiled the tomatoes. Let's keep cooking. This is the tomatoes. I'm steaming the tomatoes. I will allow it to done like 10 to 15 minutes because I don't like tomatoes that is not done. I like it very done. After that, I will add the vegetable. This is the meat I dried. I boiled them before. Goat meat, some turkey and fish with some I have some bush meat here, which is grass cutter with ishaki and bomon. I have bomon, ishaki, body with some bush meat, which is grass cutter, and some goat meat. I will be adding those meat after I've cooked the soup. Just hold on for a while. So I'm adding crayfish, this is tomatoes. I'm adding crayfish, garnet crayfish. I love crayfish. Now it is time to add the meat and this is the bush meat and some bomon turkey. Some bush meat inside and some shaki with bomon the other side. It's time to add the meat. I'm adding the turkey and some goat meat the other side. This is if you have some goat meat inside here. I want to stir the stew. Stir this properly so that it will not get burned. Just add salt to it, salt. Wow, look at how this thing is very, very sweet and delicious. Adding some fish. Adding some fish to eat. Well, I swear pieces the fish, but I just need it that way. I want to add the vegetable. Let me bring another spoon to turn it. Hold on. I'm using wooden spoon. I've turned it. Let me open it and see. Wow. I believe it's okay for now. Yeah, it's okay for now. Our soup is ready. Don't worry. I will bring it to you, okay? I will bring some pounded yam with a cooler of this vegetable soup. Alright? Alright? Wow, look at how delicious the soup is. Oh my god, it's so delicious. You need to taste it, eh? You need to eat this soup, eh? Wow, this soup reminds me of my mother's soup back in Nigeria. How he cooked it is vegetable soup. Oh my God, you will eat and eat and eat and eat and eat until you tired. All right, bye for now. Ciao.